traveling, it is important to understand that you have to plan it. So choose a proper hospital and choose a stay around that hospital, because that makes it easier for you to uh, you know communicate with your plastic surgeon also in terms of moving out, moving in, and look out for all the facilities in our setup. Generally, I'll tell you how we do it. So all our surgeries are booked well in advance, and patients who are coming from outside the India or maybe from other parts of India, they get in touch with our practice manager, and we arrange all those things in terms of helping out in medical visa if they require that, and whatever sort of help is required in choosing the accommodation according to the budget. It can be nearby accommodation, good accommodation can be told, currency exchanges, pickup and drop can also be arranged if needed, plus all the tests that are required that we can arrange, the garments, the post healing creams and all those things. So we do all these things, and it will give you an idea of the budget of the surgery. And it's always better to keep some amount with yourself safe. You can pick in terms of, you can bring in dollars, pounds or cash, or in terms of payment can be made by credit card, internationally accepted credit card. We do accept all the credit cards also. So it is important that these small parts are covered. Why it is important? Because whenever you're planning for a surgery, there are multiple variables involved. Like you have to plan your recovery also. So like in the case of liposuction, say you're getting liposuction of the tummy region, so it is important that liposuction, when done, at least a day of hospital stay we provide, and after that you can go back to your hotel room, and if the nursing staff is required, that also can be done. And similarly, the follow-ups are usually, we keep it for a week or 10 days depending on the recovery period of the patient. In rhinoplasty, it's something like we keep for patient, we ask our patients to stay for around 10 days, and facelift patients around 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks is possible. Similarly, for the tummy tuck patients, 2 to 3 weeks. Breast surgeries also, breast implant patients can go back within 5 to 7 days maximum. Breast reduction patients around like 14 to 17 days. Similarly, gynecomastia patients can go back within 3-4 days or maybe earlier also. So do discuss that part when you can return back to your country or your city, and how is recovery gonna be. We are in touch virtually with all our patients throughout the year to monitor their progress, and if they have any difficulties, they all of them get my personal number also after the surgery, and in case they want to contact me, they can connect with me or my practice manager. These are some steps that we take to ensure that your cosmetic surgery goes smooth. Plus, I would say that do your due diligence. It is always better to check out the credentials of the surgeon, plastic surgeon. Secondly, of the place where you're getting operated, reviews. You can discuss all the expectations, what you expect in your consultations. We offer complimentary virtual consultations for our outstation patients, and that helps us to understand. And even a day or two prior to the surgery, you come over here, we examine, we again go back to the same process, discuss everything. Then on the day of the surgery itself, we do discuss all those things. So it is important to take all those factors into account, and travel also. If it's a long flight, if you have got a, say, surgery like a tummy tuck, we do ask you to keep on moving. Some stockings also you can use, so that your flight is safe, and there's less chances of any kind of blood clotting in the legs and all. We do give some medications also depending on your health status and all, and rest is required after the surgery. So depending on your particular procedure, we can customize that rest, and that is how we proceed in terms of cosmetic surgery. If you have any doubts, any thing that you want to know about how to travel for your cosmetic surgery and how we do it in practice, you can go to International Patient Experience on our websites www.drbolchuk.com, www.gynecomastia.co.in, realliposuction.com, or you can WhatsApp us or call us on this number 98189 06707. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much.